Hello everyone. Welcome again to Top Links video. Today we are here with 10 cool kitchen tools and gadgets you must have. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for future update. At number 1. Multifunction Cap Opener. Anti-slip twist. It can open any size cap. Available in different color. 23.9 cm size, can fit in any place in kitchen. At number 2. Magic Sushi Maker. Perfect roll cutter. Now easily you can make sushi in your kitchen with this roller. At number 3. Steel spray pump. Pure stainless steel oil sprayer. A fine mist olive pump spray bottle. At number 4. Hand press juicer. You can make juice from all of them by this juicer. Vintage juicer maker. Make fresh juice for all. At number 5. 8 pieces Nylon Kitchenware Set. Amazing kitchen supplies. Good kitchen helper. Each give you different function cooking. At number 6. Magnetic knife holder. High quality and strong magnetic power. It easily fit on the wall and arrange your kitchen knife properly. At number 7. Multifunction cutter. Stainless steel multifunction cutter that you can use by 7 ways. Awesome scissors knife for fish, chicken, vegetable, etc. At number 8. Bottle stand and cup kit. Easy to open and stand. Cool looking multicolor kitchen stuff. At number 9. Vegetable spiral slicer. Super safe 2-blade design. Easily operate. At number 10. French fry cutter. Potato slicer. One-step perfect French fry cutter. Easy and cool kitchen tool.
For more details about the product and the link, go to the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Like, share, and comment below.